Without the right data, it can be challenging to determine how to allocate a limited capital budget. Which transformer will need to be replaced first? Is a unit at risk of failure and should be replaced immediately? Where can the capital investment make the biggest impact? Perception Fleet solves this challenge by calculating a risk index for each transformer in the fleet using dissolved gases and bushing analysis. Based on international standards and committees and GE technical knowledge, the risk index categorizes a transformer's condition and provides a clear indication of which transformers in the fleet should be replaced and where the capital investment will have the greatest impact. Gathering, analyzing, and applying transformer data across an entire fleet can be extremely costly and time-consuming. Understanding which transformers need attention requires specialized transformer experts to often travel hundreds of miles to each location and manually collect the data for analysis, heavily impacting a utility's operating expenses. Perception Fleet's Risk Dashboard provides a concise list of critical fleet information, including diagnostics. The dashboard automatically updates when a risk assessment is performed. Utilities are empowered to move to condition-based rather than scheduled maintenance, with informed crews assigned to the most critical transformers in the fleet, ensuring time and materials are utilized where they are needed most.